back again. It's been a couple days. Got some new tools. These are like fine tooth ratchets. So super precise. And it's a 1/2 inch too. And I got my favorite wrench replaced too. So good day to start. Anyway, the last part of the video, this is probably going to be part of the same video that you're watching right now. But one sec. So far, got, yeah, let's focus up, there we go. Got all the wiring in, the bike starts. I need to do some carb adjustments, so I need to watch some videos on that. Not really sure how to do that, so that'll be another part of the video. But today I'm going to be putting the chain on, and trying to see what angle I need to set the shifter at, and then basically setting it up to give it a little bit of a test drive to see whether it feels good when it's rolling and the brakes and the weight of it. But anyway, that's this video. Once again, set you up with another time lapse. Okay, so it was running kind of weird yesterday, but anyways, I'll tell you what I did. I got the chain on, chain's on. Good news. I think it's a little tight, so I'll loosen it up. But that was a rusty chain, and it's mint now. That rust remover stuff is amazing. Anyway, I have filled it with coolant. I currently have no leaks. The fuel line that I'm using has a leak, so I'm gonna have to go get some fuel hosing for that, or like fuel grade hosing so it doesn't deteriorate. But no coolant leaks, good sign. And the I adjusted the choke. I didn't have it attached. So now that I've done that, it should run okay. So I'll toss some fuel up in there, my little baby funnel. And mind you, I haven't tuned the jets or done anything like that with it yet to make it run well without anything on it, but give it a shot. Okay, well that's good news. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna get the bike up to temperature by just leaving it on for a little bit, and hopefully that tells me whether it's getting warm. It'll tell me whether the coolant gauge works. I don't think the coolant gauge works, so I gotta dig into that. It looks like there's a missing. Yeah. Okay. So well, give me a minute. I'm gonna pick into this. Okay, so this is exactly why having a manual for a bike from the 90s is a good call. So I have this little internet archive where the whole manual for the 1990 CBR F1 Hurricane is online. And what I can do is I can search up, I can either use the table of contents or I can actually search up inside within the file and to look for my problem. So all I did was type in coolant sensor and it popped up. So I'm on page 20, and what it's saying here is that coolant sensor, I didn't know where this little, I have this little tab, right? Here. I had this little tab and I couldn't figure out where it went because I was like, how the hell am I supposed to tell what the coolant temperature is? And so what I did is I ran a live wire to it and the gauge shifted. So I'm like, okay, so this is the wire that's going to tell me the temperature of the coolant. Why can't I figure it out? And I realized that it needs to be through the manual that I found online, that it needs to be connected to the thermostat, obviously. And if you can see right there, you see that little nub right there? See if I can get that. Yeah, that one right there. That's the thermostat. And there's the connecting part for that sensor. So I should be able to plug that in and it solves my problems. But look at that, just do some reading and all your problems will be solved. So let's get back to that. Back on time-lapse mode. Alright, back to it.